now this is like the 9th attempt that we are trying to get with his clothes on, and he's running again. Run! Run! Run, Jordan! No! No yellow, Daddy! No yellow!
Yellow, damn it.
You got your clothes on. No, not no more.
Stop it! Okay, it's getting out of hand. Okay. Here.
Okay, now that Daddy's got you, lay down with the bottle. I think it's time to turn it off. Oh, nope.
Stop!
Hey, Daddy. I'm ready to go. Yay! Mission accomplished. Yay! Oh, you're coming to me. It's past the bottle. Right. Hey. Excuse you. Hey. You should see how he is looking at it.
Okay, let's do this.
Yes, I need to call.
All right. Come here.